guys, welcome back to Siani's Hair World. Today is another video. We haven't done a video in a while. A lot of people have been asking, so here I go. You'll see that I got my hair straightened, and today we're gonna be doing wine curls. I've never done wine curls before. I did like one little curl right here just to see how it look. And this is all for cheer. Okay, y'all, so this is the flat iron that we use to flat iron my hair. So this is the Hot Beauty Professional 1 Cinematic Flat Iron. So just focus this, just in case if y'all want to go get this and have your hair looking like mine. And also, to keep it silky and nice and straight, we have this Paul Michelle Super Skinny Serum. We use this every single time we flat iron my hair. And it actually is really good. It keeps your hair nice and silky. Let me show you what curling iron, what you call it, curling iron? Wine curler we use, so hold up. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. But you can find it at every single hair store or Amazon. Just look up wine curler and it's gonna pop up. This is what my hair looked like before, and then we'll do the after at the end of this video. This is the heat protector we use. Oh my god, y'all, I love this heat protector. And it smells real good too. It's Cream of Nature Argan Oil. So this is actually a really good heat protector that you should use. Like all those other heat protectors, they be saying that heat protectors, they don't be protecting your hair from nothing. This one is the one to go. And then we're gonna be using this Afro Unicorn Magical Tresses Bye Dry Scalp Oil Serum. And this one smells really good too. It's infused with watermelon, raspberry, and apple. And we're just gonna use some Got to Be Glue spray to do those edges. Okay, y'all should use this to get y'all do y'all edges, but get the big can because it lasts longer. We got our part comb and our brush. Hey y'all, I know when I be talking too much, y'all be skipping through the video. Don't skip through the video. Watch all of this. Y'all need to know what I'm saying, okay? Don't skip through the video, okay? So yeah, so now we got some rubber bands and some 2 big rubber bands. So that is it of what we is using today. So yeah, so Mom, you got anything to say? Why are you laughing?
Because I think you said enough. I don't think y'all need any more introductions or explanations. I think y'all need said enough. So I am doing half up, half down, same style that we did on the last video. I'm trying to see if I can replicate that style without having to put weave in her hair again, because she has another competition coming up this weekend. And so I'm trying to see if I can allow her coach to let us get by without me having to put the weave back in her hair. So I'm gonna try to replicate that style.
Hold on, not my coach, Miss Charnette. She run everything.
Just the owner of the cheer company.
Yes, Coach Nuki is the coach. He don't run everything.
Alright, so I'm just gonna start putting my part across the top to give us the half up, half down.
Y'all, I actually go to competition. I go to competition in I think 6 days. Yeah, I go to competition in 6 days. I'm really excited too.
You excited, but you was kind of messing up on your part yesterday.
I do good while I'm in the gym, but at home I get all loosey-goosey.
Loosey-goosey.
Because when I get home, I'll be all tired for cheer. And I go start practicing at home. I'm practicing at school too.
You shouldn't have time to practice at school. Focused on work.
So I'm supposed to do work at recess?
Yes.
No,
Keep
I'm
them
not.
grades up. Read a book.
Well, I have AB honor roll.
See, I got AB honor roll, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all congratulate her.
What you talking about? I need to get my grades up.
Let's get all A honor roll.
I don't know if I can do that.
You can do it. Y'all encourage her, let her know she can do it. Right now she got A's and B's.
That's still awesome.
It is awesome. You did very good. I'm proud of you. All right, let's check this part out.
I got AB honor roll every single year I went to school except for one. Wait, no. I'm talking about like every quarter except for like 1 quarter. Every quarter I normally get AB honor roll. It was just that 1 quarter I was messing up on. Remember? I don't know what happened to that one.
Alright, so I'm checking to make sure my part is straight. Make sure it's nice and even from ear to ear.
Yeah, I'm so scared. I hope she don't burn me.
Alright, so let me just put this back part into a ponytail really quickly. We're going to start with the back, but I'm going to put the front up. Just 1 second. Brush this up. Brush it and comb it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
I'm going to put it in the high ponytail.
And actually, I'm going to add a little oil to your
I want to see how it would look with the bow in it too. Nothing came out on that one. You need squeeze.
I can see it coming out, Siani.
I didn't feel it.
Show the people, because it's coming out.
I didn't feel it.
And on this part right
Now I
here.
feel it. I gotta feel it to know you did it. Like I gotta see the bundle. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, how extra she is.
Yeah, I'm not extra.
Roll that beside that.
Y'all know when y'all parents always think they be right when, but sometimes they can be wrong.
Right.
Stop. Don't interrupt me.
You see how she act? Rude.
I'm rude when you interrupted me. That's rude. Y'all know
I
what?
have to go through, y'all.
Stop. I'm trying to talk.
I'm trying to talk.
Yeah, well, I was talking first, so let me talk and then you can say what you gotta say. Y'all know when y'all parents always think that they right. When parents can be wrong sometimes. Every single parent though.
We definitely can be wrong.
Stop.
I'm just.
But every time of the argument, sometimes when they possibly are wrong, they always think that they right all the time. And then when you prove it, they be like, but still, but that. Yeah. So, got anything to say?
Parents can be wrong, and if I'm wrong, I say I'm wrong. I don't always think that I'm right.
Yes, you do.
I don't. I definitely don't. I know I'm not always correct. I do not mind saying if I'm wrong.
Y'all ever fall asleep with your AirPods in and then the next day you find them just laid up all over your bed? I know that happens to almost everybody when you fall asleep and with your AirPods in, then you wake up and you figure out they're not in your ear, you find them spread it all over the bed.
I'm just twisting this up so that we can focus on the back. So I'm just getting this out of my way.
I think if Mommy wants some AirPods, but I think if she got AirPods, she would lose them. Not because she's not responsible. I just think a lot of people that she hang around got AirPods and they get mixed up easily.
I'm gonna go ahead and oil the back of her hair. I'm just going through oiling her scalp. Alright, so massage that in. Yesterday before I put the heat protectant on her hair while it was still wet, I used this to moisturize her hair. I've used this a lot of times when I'm about to blow dry her hair. She's wearing it straight. It's super thick, super creamy. Smells really good, lasts a long time. It feels heavy like initially when it's in your hand, but once you apply it to the hair, then it's not as heavy as you may think coming from a cream. But I love this. It's really, really good. And it's from A Natural Rose. Time to get started with all this beautiful hair.
Wait, what if I put a towel around me that just went like right there? So like
you okay. You alright. I promise you. Alright. So I'm just going to...
If you burn me, can I get ice cream?
You got this, child. So let me make sure I don't burn her so I ain't got to buy no ice cream. Just part in. Doesn't have to be super straight.
Like I want this done.
Well, let's get it done because you keep doing all this talking. Let's just get it done. So I'm splitting the hair into 3 parts. Put your head down.
Mommy.
What?
Is you doing it?
Yes.
Oh. I don't even feel heat on my neck.
So I just need to stay on the hair for
30 seconds.
I wouldn't even say 30 seconds. Maybe like 10 seconds. And then the hair should curl.
Yo, I wouldn't be scared if she could have just took the flat iron and just like wrapped it around.
And look how beautiful that is.
Hold on, put that down because I don't like you holding it up. But this is actually a really nice curl, y'all. So I'm happy she didn't do that flat iron. Because I know the flat iron just gonna get flattened. I trust you now.
Now she trusts me because we got one down and I didn't burn her. Moving on to the second piece. And you don't have to go all the way up to the roots on these type of curls either. You can kind of start your curls wherever you want them to start at.
Yeah, also because for the high ponytail, it's just gonna hang and cover the roots.
Like I said, I just count to about 10 to 15 seconds on each curl. And then just let it kind of slide off of the wand. And there we go. Just like that.
When you're not doing it like...
Yes, it's way over here. I'm not going to have it anywhere near you. Got the first row done. Go ahead and pick your head back up. Alright, so moving on to my second row. Let me go ahead and part it off. And I don't want to spray any holding spray on these either. I want them to be really soft and bouncy type of curls. And when I'm doing the curls as well, on each one I'm going in opposite direction. So one way I'll start to the right side, and then when I get to the next one I'll start to the left side. So that way when her head is moving or shaking, the curls don't start overlapping themselves. Alright, so 2 rows down, moving right along. You want to make sure you get all the way down to the ends and hold it so you don't have any frizzy ends. And you can see I went this one to the left, so I'm going to bring, or that one to the right, and I'm going to bring this one in the opposite direction. Alright, so this is what the back of her hair is looking like so far. I'm just going to go ahead and finish, looks like 2 more rows of this back section, and then I'll come back once we get to the top half of her head.
Tell me, this don't look nothing like weave, but it's better than the weave. Period. It's what it look like.
Alright, so now I'm going to move on to the front of her hair. I'm going to go ahead and do the edges, lay them down, and then I'll fix the curls. So I'm just using a little bit of the Got To Be Glued spray, and I'm just going to spray it just around the edge line. I'm using the comb end of the edge brush to fix her edges. Edges check. Alright, now we can get started on these last few curls at the top. And I'm just going to be pulling out little sections as I go, or little pieces.
Okay, y'all, so the curls is done. Let's see how my edges look. So this is how it looks. Hold up. Okay. So y'all, comment down below. Do you think this looks like weave? Do you think it does? Be honest.
I would say that it is.
You think no? Like no, that's not the real question. Do you think that she'll let me come to competition like this?
I do think she'll let you come to competition like that, but the question is, how long will it last? I may need to go to the store and get like some light holding spray, so that way when you're jumping and bouncing and moving, that the curls don't necessarily fall.
Do you want to leave? You want to leave early so we can pick it up?
No, I think it'll be fine for today. I'm just saying, if she says that the style is fine for competition, then I'll make sure I get the holding spray. So let's see. Let's check out the back.
Yeah, I don't think this looks like weave, but I think the judges aren't gonna be right up on us. They just like this. They're not gonna be like really looking at the hair.
But it is the competition hairstyle.
Nobody else here, I think, could get like this really, just like the weave, cause it looks kind of like the weave. It looks kind of like the weave if you like here. Cause the judges not gonna be up on us. They gonna be pretty far away. And hair ain't even.
Let's shake a little bit.
Hold up, and hair ain't even on the point score. Give it a little shake. Give it a little shake.
Don't shake it too much now.
With my hair back.
That's fine, girl.
Okay, y'all, so that is the end of the video. It looks really pretty. Now, if you got black hair, girl, magic like this, you could definitely do this. And it's gonna look real cute for school style. Just to let you know, if you skipped any parts, you better go back right now. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see every time we post. So peace, we out.